The son of Senator Grace Poe has received the distinction of being one of the most influential icons of the year. Poe Llamanzares has been awarded as one of the Men Who Matter 2020 by People Asia. Llamanzares is 28 years old and is the youngest chief of staff in the Senate. Before working at the legislative branch, Llamanzares headed his mother's presidential campaign and had also been a journalist. The grandson of Fernando Poe Jr. revealed to People Asia that public service remains to be his one true love.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.